We're going to talk to Tom next. But before we talk to Tom, I want to just mention that if you have a legal question, you can call us right now at 866-66-LAWYER. That's 866-66-LAWYER. Tom, welcome to the Law Show.
Thank you for taking my call. What I'm calling about is I've had some problems with my utility company, and I've lost power 10 times in the last year, 10 different times. 2 of them were power surges that did over $3,000 in damages each time.
Wow.
And so we're wondering if they have immunity from prosecution or for, paying out debt or anything like that.
No, they do not have immunity. And normally what happens, I used to work for an insurance company, and sometimes there would be a power surge and an entire neighborhood would be taken out. And so people would turn their claims over to their insurance companies, and the insurance companies then would pursue the utility companies for reimbursement of what they paid out in the insurance claims. So there is no immunity. You can handle this on your own, or you can turn it over to your insurance company and see what they say about it. There may be some coverage for you under your homeowner's insurance.
I tried that, and I didn't. It keeps happening, and I don't want to increase my my premiums. I talked to them about it, and if I do another claim, my premiums will go up quite a bit.
Yep.
Not 5 or 10%, but a lot more than that. So I don't want to claim it through my insurance company when it's truly the utility's fault.
Yeah, I don't blame you for that, but you've got some economic decisions to make. People always ask me, do I have a case based on some fact pattern? And I say, well, yeah, you've got a case, but is it economically feasible for you to pursue that case, or is it more economically feasible for you to take a different approach? Now, for you to go after this utility company, what you really need is you need a permanent fix to make sure that this thing stops. So you got to know what is the reason why this is happening, which means you've got to get an expert in electricity out there to take a look at it and figure out why you're getting these power surges and brownouts and other things like that. And then you got to hire a lawyer to go pursue them. And this is not the kind of case that most lawyers would be willing to handle on a contingent fee basis. You're going to have to pay them hourly to get them involved in this. But it sounds like you may have a pretty good case, although your expert is going to be able to tell you whether or not there is something that is DTE's problem or if it's something inside your home. I can just about guarantee you that the utility company is going to say that it's something inside your home and not outside, something that they don't have responsibility for. You need to prove that differently. And so what I'm suggesting is that you turn it over to your insurance company and let them do it. And I know that your premiums may increase. They shouldn't really increase. What happens is if you make more than 3 claims, I think within a 48-month period, then they are required by law to cancel you, and you've got to get a different insurance company, which is not an easy thing to do in itself. But do you have the money to afford to go after the utility company that's causing this problem? That's the question that you've got to answer.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Listen, if you want to sit down and talk with us, you're more than welcome to do that. Vince Carter would be a good guy in my office to talk to about this. If you just want to give us a call at 866-66-LAWYER and make an appointment with him. Make an appointment with Vince and come in and sit down and talk with him.